Hello viewers, this is BMX Chase 101. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, yeah, whatever. This is gonna be a bike check. I guess I'll start at the top of the bike. Okay, so bar ends are Odyssey bar ends in white, ODI long neck grips, Miami Vice, I don't know, high rise bar. Came stock with the bike. Regular stem. Both my tires are Aaron Ross tires in orange. Headset is just a Cane Creek. Yeah. I guess this is the Shadow Crow seat. Really padded. Oh, really thick. Nice. Stolen Thermalite seat post, integrated seat post clamp, Colony Fantastic PC pedals, yeah, oh yeah, and the forks are Vice forks. I don't know, they came stock with the bike, but I like the forks besides the fact that this frame isn't integrated, which is pretty annoying, but whatever. The rim is an Alex 303 with the stock hub and everything. Yeah, Colony Fantastic. The whole bottom bracket, crank, sprocket, and chain are all stock. But I'm going to be getting a new chain and sprocket soon, hopefully. And some new pedals, because these are worn to crap. Or they don't look it, but they have no grip at all. The pins are all rounded. Okay, yeah, both the tires are in 2.35 wide. They're pretty big tires. I like them. Yeah, stock chain. The back wheel is a nitrous double shot, I believe. Yeah, that's everything. And right now, I'm riding brakeless, and I actually really enjoy it right now. So I can get my foot jam tail whips down without a brake cable getting in the way, and yep. See you later.